You guys, my first Hermès quarterback ever. You guys, I got it. She's here. Chai. Oh my God. I've literally been waiting for this day for 2 years. If you've been following my journey at all, I've been spending like a crazy person, literally going in all the time, doing everything I'm supposed to, waiting and bugging. I'm at one of the most competitive stores, so I understand it's a little hard to get it, but I got it. They like me. They really you like me. You really like me. Well, I got it. Well, I got it. You guys, I cannot believe that this is happening. This is the moment. This is my first Hermès quarterback offer. My first Hermès quarterback offer. Let's unbox a long time coming. I'm so excited. And like the fact that I got this is a feat. It's literally like impossible to get now. I did all the things, but waiting. I tried in Paris. I have all the things. Like I've done all the things. I've bought in every category. I'm at one of the most competitive stores. Their clientele base is crazy. So it's just so much competition. So the fact that I could get this from the store, that they picked me and offered it to me, and this bag in this size, in this color combo. I mean, okay, I can't even. Okay, let's unbox it. I got it. Okay. All right. Bye. The sound of this paper is literally the most exciting thing in the world. Okay. I mean, you probably could already tell from the box what size it is. And now from this, you can tell what size it is, but it's the perfect size for moi. I like big bags. I like to carry a lot. And I have a huge Goyard tote that I use all the time. Size, it's 40 cms. I actually wanted a 40 cm. This is not a 40 cm, but I wanted a 40 cm. But this is better because this is just the most beautiful. You guys guess? You guys know what it is? Okay. Oh. You ready? Here she is. I got Birkin 35 gold on gold. Birkin 35 gold on gold. Togo Return. The original bag in Hermes's gold color with gold hardware. Holy grail, holy shit, holy wawa, haha. Literally the original bag. This is Jane Birkin's original size. What do you guys think? Isn't she beautiful? I love her! Oh my God. Let's, we'll do it next. I'm gonna do so many videos on this, so get used to this being all over your feed. If you follow me. And if you don't follow me, sorry. I mean, if you want to unfollow me, okay, I understand.